So a different kind of recovery today. We're over at HICE in Brighouse doing some contrast therapy. And yeah, let me tell you, them ice baths are no joke, man. They're brutal. Takes a bit of getting used to, but once you're used to it, they feel so good. Then we hopped in the sauna straight after. I had about 10 to 15 minutes in the sauna at a time, which was nice because you don't feel like your toes are going to fall off. Like, I'm getting out this ice bath and I feel like I can barely stand up, but it's worth it. Both for the recovery benefits, but also for the mental benefits. Then, of course, I had to finish off with a coffee, but if you're looking for a different type of recovery and you haven't tried this yet, then definitely get down to HICE.